How to buy Apple gift card online. So if you want to buy Apple gift card online, then what you need to do is whether you want to gift it to someone or use it for yourself, the process is quick and simple. First, you need to launch your preferred browser and type in buy Apple gift card. Different website links will appear. You need to scroll and then you need to select official Apple website. Tap on it, which says buy Apple gift cards. Choose the country and region. Go with save, which will be on the top. Go with continue again, which will be on the bottom, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. Now scroll and select how you would like to send it. You'll have two options, which is email and mail. Select the one that you want to send, then choose an amount. You can also choose a design. I'll go with the first design, and then scroll down, and then you will have the amount, which is $25 or $50 or $100 or any other amount. And then enter your delivery address. Who's it for? You need to enter the recipient name, the recipient email address, and who's it from? You need to enter your information under the sender name. And then if you want to add a personalized message, you can add it and then go with select, which will be on the bottom, and it will usually arrive within 1 hour. That's how you can buy Apple gift card online. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.